Section C, 36th question. Question 36A. Letter writing and B is script before speech. See the structure. Okay, this is the format. City, comma, date, full stop. To address, subject, salutation, body of the letter in 3 paragraphs. Thanking you, yours faithfully, into. Okay, if you see here, full stop after thanking you, and then yours faithfully after comma. Yours faithfully. See this. There is no apostrophe near S in yours. So write normal yours faithfully. Double L. Okay, for faithfully. You have seen the structure, right? Question 36A. Letter writing. Write a letter to the Sarpanch of your village highlighting the need for solar energy panels to be installed in your village. Add the commitment to promoting sustainable energy solutions in your village and express your hope that the Sarpanch will consider your proposal. Nellore, comma, date, full stop, to the Sarpanch Rajpalam, Nellore. Subject, request for installation of solar energy panels in our village. Here is there now in question. Installed in your village. You have to write installation of solar panels, solar energy panels. Subject is request for installation of solar energy panels in our village. Salutation is respected sir, comma, I am writing this letter to draw your kind attention to the urgent need for installing solar energy panels in our village. As responsible villagers, we are committed to promoting sustainable energy solutions, and I sincerely hope you will consider this proposal for the welfare and development of our community. Our village has been facing several energy related challenges such as frequent power cuts, limited access to electricity, and raising energy bills. These problems affect students in their studies, farmers in their work, and households in their daily routines. To overcome these difficulties, solar energy presents itself as a practical and beneficial solution. Solar energy is renewable, eco-friendly, and sustainable. It reduces dependency on fossil fuels, lowers electricity costs in the long run, and is especially suitable for rural areas like ours where sunlight is available throughout the year. The installation of solar panels will ensure reliable energy access, reduce energy poverty, and support the economic growth of our village. With proper planning, Rajapalam can become a model for clean and green energy use. I sincerely request you to kindly look into this matter and take appropriate action for the welfare of our village. Thanking you, yours faithfully, into. Next, question 36B. Script for speech. Three topics we are going to see on this. So, three topics. First topic, Prepare a speech to be delivered on the occasion of Student Day celebration at your school, highlighting the importance of education, discipline, and the role of students in building a bright future. So, we are going to give a speech on Student Day. You have to write speech on Student Day. Speech on Student Day. Respected headmaster, teachers, and my dear friends. Good morning, all of you. See here, full stop. Today, we have gathered here to celebrate Student Day, a day dedicated to the spirit of learning, curiosity, and growth. Students are the strength and future of our nation. This day reminds us that education is not just about books and exams, but about building character, discipline, and confidence. As students, we must make good use of every opportunity given to us. Our teachers guide us, our parents support us, but it is our responsibility to work hard, stay disciplined, and dream big. Let us participate actively in school activities, respect everyone, and strive to become responsible citizens. On this special day, let us promise to learn with dedication and lead our school with pride and positivity. Together, we can build a brighter and stronger future. Thank you. Next topic. Prepare a speech to be delivered on the occasion of National Science Day at your school, highlighting the importance of scientific curiosity, hard work, and the qualities of young scientists with reference to the lesson The Making of a Scientist. Speech on National Science Day. Respected teachers and my dear friends, good morning to everyone. Today, we are celebrating National Science Day, a day that inspires us to explore the world of science with curiosity and dedication. This occasion reminds us to great scientists who changed the world through their discoveries. One such inspiring story is from our class 10th lesson. Okay, class 10th lesson, The Making of a Scientist. Richard A. Bright, the young scientist in the lesson, teaches us that great achievements come from curiosity, hard work, and a strong desire to learn. This journey from collecting butterflies to becoming a world class scientist shows that science begins with simple questions and a willingness to find answers. On this special day, let us all develop a scientific attitude. Let us observe, experiment, ask questions, and never stop learning. Science is not just a subject, it is a way of thinking and discovering new possibilities. Thank you. Third topic. Prepare a speech to be delivered on the occasion of your school day celebration, highlighting the importance of overcoming fear, believing in oneself, and taking the first step towards success. With reference to the theme of the lesson, holy. Speech on science school day celebration. Speech for school day celebration. Respected principal, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Good evening to everyone. Today, on our school day celebration, I would like to share an inspiring message from the lesson Holy. This story teaches us the importance of overcoming fear, believing in oneself, and and taking the first step towards success. Bholi was once a shy, frightened girl who lacked confidence because of her speech problem and appearance. But when she was given love, encouragement, and education at school, she slowly learned to trust herself. She overcame her fear, discovered her inner strength, and finally stood up for the dignity and self respect. Her journey shows that education and self belief can change a person's life. Many of us hesitate to try new things, just like Boli did. But the moment we take the first step with courage, we begin our path to success. Let us all learn from Boli and believe in ourselves. Thank you. Okay, we have seen three topics related to script for speech. If you want, you can take screenshots. I'll keep from here, right? Now, once you see these topics also, question number 36A, letter writing. See this topic. Letter writing topics these are on 10 topics. And question number 36 in that B, script for speech topics you can see here.